Hello everyone, my name is Dipped in Black, also known as Kettle, and today I'm here with AsylumKlown. Today, we are making lion's mane. Let's go ahead and gather our seasonings. First, we have salt. Then we add some steak seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, all-purpose seasoning, some paprika, sazon, and last, some black pepper. Traditionally, you would use something to flatten the lion's mane to make it look more like a steak, but we wanted to keep it this size just to see and experiment how it would be. When you use the item to flatten it, it takes all of the moisture out of the lion's mane. Alright, it's time to cut and serve. If you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Comment down below, have you ever tried lion's mane? Let us know how you cook your lion's mane as well. That would be very interesting for the next time we try and experiment with this. Also, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, also the little bell, so you guys can know what we do here and be notified every time we upload. Thanks for watching today's video. We'll see you all in the next one. Bye.